Welcome fellow traders. It's time for another training session with BestBull tutorial. In the previous video, we learned about the use of column chooser. In this video, we will look into the various columns that are given in our watch list and their use case. Let's get started. The first column is always script. This contains the information about the script that we have selected. Then comes expiry. It contains the date and time of when the script expires. Bid price, ask price, percentage change, open, high, low, close, last price, last trading time. Also contains information about how much opening and closing commission is charged from the client. Then we have intraday margin, holding margin, which is determined at the end of the trading day. Net change, spread. Next is max quantity, which is very helpful. This tells you about the limit for the particular script so that you can plan your trade accordingly. Next is minimum deal and maximum deal, which tells you how much you have to spend on one shot. Maximum quantity tells how much share you can buy of SGX Nifty. In this case, it is 1000 shares, and at last is the contract size. In this case, it is 1. So this window is very informative and it benefits you the most when you have multiple family accounts, and just by double clicking on the account name, you can see the above mentioned details for any account you want. And that's all for today's tutorial. In our next video, we will cover additional topics that will help you on your journey to becoming the #1 trader. Thank you for watching.